Tap, tap, tap.
Do you believe that a certificate in your traditional school system is still sufficient in this era? Welcome to T.A.P Academy. We are the training arm of Taiwo Adelakun Photography. We're a first-class photography and videography training ground for anyone inspiring to start a visual storytelling career. Our courses are current, paced, and practical, so you don't have to worry about combining your busy schedule with your work. There are amazing stories all around the world in Africa waiting to be told. Are you the next creative Africa has been looking for? Then register for one of our courses today at T.A.P Academy.
Tap, tap, tap to the rhythm. Feel free, change your style, oh. Smile is very nice, oh. Tap, 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 tap is the best place to be.